Welcome to block 4 of the block of the month. This is our block for the month. It's called Casablanca. So let's see how we're going to make that. We have 3 fabrics. We have our light blue. That's your A fabric. This is your B fabric. And our C fabric is the yellow. So we're going to cut out our block now. So we're going to put our A fabric and our B fabric together, right sides together. We're going to cut our squares that are 3 5/8 by 3 5/8 out. We're going to cut 4 of those. And then we're going to take and cut 1 1/2 by 1 1/2 out of just the yellow, one of those squares. And then we're going to cut 4 3 1/4 by 7 rectangles and 4 1 1/2 by 3 1/4. Dang, I forgot about fractions. I wished I kept that up. But let's talk about our rulers and how we find those things on our ruler. So our block is 3 5/8. So on this little ruler we've got here, this is the 3. So we've cut the 3. Then these are the little marks in between our whole numbers. So 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, and 7/8. Now, the 2/8, if we reduce that, is 1 1/4. 4/8 is 1 1/2, and 6/8 is 3/4. We usually know where those are, the 4th, the half, and the 3/4. But when we start talking about 1/8, 3/8, 5/8, and 7/8, so you just know they're just the numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're going to cut yours 3 5/8. So on this ruler right here, it's going to be cut here, 3, and then it's the one past the half and the one past the half right there. So 3 5/8. Then we also have to cut the 4th. So that's the 1/4 would be the second one, the second mark. It's usually a little bit longer. These are the shorter marks, and these are the longer. And then the half, these are shorter, a little bit longer, and then this is really long. So yes, and some rulers don't always have all of those marks through them. So it makes it hard if you're trying to cut like a 3 and an 1/8 here because you don't have that. So try to find a ruler that has those little short lines in both directions of it because it just makes it easier. So now we've figured out how we're going to measure our rulers. So we're going to cut those. So cut these out together, pin them, and then cut this one out. Then you're going to cut those out. Then we're going to make our half square triangles. So out of our half square triangles, out of those 4 blocks, we're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 half square triangles. By putting them together, drawing a line on them, cutting them, and then we're going to sew a 1/4 inch from that cut line. So then we'll have 8. I only show 4 here because I use those in another little project. So we're going to press to the dark. And then we're going to cut our dog ears. These little things are called dog ears. You're going to just cut those off and press all of them to the dark. Now, let's put our block together. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make this center, okay? So notice on your diagram, on your instructions, it shows you that this is fabric A. A is going to be here, 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 and here. What does it matter? Because if you will notice how this lays out, it makes it a design with those lighter patterns in a certain place. They're going this way here, 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 here. So be sure you get those together like that. So we're going to put these together with a little yellow strip, and then we're going to put this together. That's that one little 1 1/2 by 1 1/2 by 1 1/2 that we do here with the yellow, and then here. This right measurement should be 7 inches right here. Then you're going to put this row together, noticing where the A fabric is, A fabric, do another one, A fabric, A fabric. So you have, and then you're going to, after you make this 7, you're going to put this yellow strip here and here, and then we'll sew this together, this together, so those together, and you get a 7.5 inch, a 12.5 by 12.5 block. So if you have any questions, come see us at the sewing studio. Thank you.